Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the problem connection with the server could not be established. There is one really new method that I recommend you to use. First, we need to click right mouse button on icon of start, and then we need to go to run. Here on open field we need to type control, and after that we need to click OK button. Now we need to go to programs, and then we need to go to turn Windows features on or off. After that, we need to click on plus on the left side of Internet Information Services. Then we need to click plus on FTP server, and then we need to check FTP service. We need to check FTP extensibility and FTP server. First, check if it will solve your problem. If not, you can check all web management tools here and all worldwide services here. But I think that these three options should fix your problem. So after that, I click OK button, and the fixing process has been started. So we need to wait a few seconds to finish it. Okay, and now we can read here information. Windows completed the requested change. So now I recommend you to click close button, and after that I recommend you to restart your PC. So it's all for today. If it helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and if you are grateful you can buy me coffee from link in description.